Sage Clarity brings together connected machines, connected intelligence, and the connected enterprise into a suite of Accelerator apps for process correction and improvement, enterprise analytics, and advanced data collection. Let's look at the effectiveness of these Industry 4.0 apps in a day in the life of a production manager. It's 7:02 a.m., and the production manager just got to work. He checks his email and sees there was a crash on a line last night. It needs to be investigated. He simply clicks the link in the email to replay the sequence. From the replay, he correlates the downtime with new material delivered to the line around the same time. So, he notifies his team that the new material could be problematic. At 8:30, the manager prepares for his 9 a.m. production meeting by simply reviewing Able and OneView, which allow him to identify the root cause sequence on the line and provides data relevant to the discussion he'll have with his team during the meeting. While at the meeting, the manager pulls up the DNA chart previously provided to his team. Since they've already seen it, they're prepared for the discussion, which drives input and collaboration. The maintenance manager reviews all of the KPI heat maps and DNA replay to assess the problem areas in the plant, specifically for the line that crashed. By 9:30, the root cause has been identified and discussed with the team. Corrective actions were recommended and documented along with the Able data sequence. At 9:50, the manager is back in his office when an email comes in from a workstation with a call for help for the maintenance and safety teams. The manager reviews the Andon ticket, which indicates that an oil leak has caused a machine to go down and created a hazard on the floor. Fortunately, Sage Clarity's Andon system passed the information to their EAM system with additional details for the work order. At 9:55, the Andon ticket was acknowledged by the EAM team, and help is on the way. At 10:15, the manager gets another notification showing that the Andon ticket is closed and the workstation is back up and running. Data was collected in the status form indicating why the issue occurred and how to correct it in the future. Around 1 p.m., the manager walks the floor and returns to the office to review week-to-date data from OneView on his tablet in preparation for a staff meeting with the plant manager. This weekly report is also automatically sent to executive management to review all 15 plants' OEE and KPI data, providing a consistent view of global plant operations. At 1:30, the plant manager asks the production manager if they can hit 80% OEE that week. The production manager pulls out his tablet and checks OneView. He quickly runs a goal analysis and confidently determines they can hit the numbers. The day is winding down around 4 p.m. The production manager wraps up his day with one final look at how the plant is running and goes home knowing the plant is in good hands for the next shift. With Sage Clarity's Accelerator apps, you can see a 70% reduction in engineering time, 5-time improvement in data fidelity, and a 4 to 6 week reduction in deployment time while providing enhanced functionality and expanding the digital footprint. If you want to learn more about how your team can have peace of mind like this, contact us today for a live, no-obligation demonstration.